Hi, this is Guld with Geeks on Tour, and this video is in answer to one of our members' questions: how do you embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint slideshow? And then specifically, how do you embed it at just a certain point of the video, not from the beginning? Let me show you how. So here we have a PowerPoint slideshow in process. And here on YouTube, we have a video that I want to embed. A beautiful video of diving with manta rays. What you do in PowerPoint, it is an insert. You want to insert some media. Here's the media button, video, and not video from this device. It would be online videos. And here's where you need the link for the video. I go back to YouTube, click on Share, and copy that link. Back to PowerPoint, and paste that link, and insert. You can size it however you want. When you play a slideshow, it will either start playing automatically or when you click play, depending on the option that you have selected. But this is playing from the beginning. Let's say that I don't want it to play from the beginning. About a minute or so in, there's video where I'm in the video, and that's where I want it to start. I only want to play a few seconds of this, so I'm going to delete this and do it again and show you what I want. Insert, media, video, and online videos. Back to YouTube. Now, instead of getting this main share link, I want to find the spot. So over here, yeah, that's where I am. So I wanted to get it at the beginning of where I appear, right there. What you do to get the link at this spot is just right-click on the video, copy video URL at current time. Now go back to PowerPoint, and that is the link that you're going to paste in. Notice this time is 72. That's at 72 seconds. And insert. Now when it starts playing, when you present the slideshow, and it starts playing, it starts at that spot. Now there's no way here to tell it where to end. So you're just going to have to let it play and then stop it while you're doing the presentation. If instead this was a video that was on your hard drive, you inserted the whole video into your presentation, then you would have this choice under playback to trim video. But notice it's just not available when the video came from YouTube. One other option you might want to set is whether the video starts playing automatically when you go to that slide or it waits until you click it. And the way you set that is select the video that is embedded on a PowerPoint slide, click the playback menu at the top, and here under Start, you can have it start automatically or when clicked on. That's usually the most comfortable, when clicked on. Now, when you are presenting and you come to this slide, it won't start playing until you click on the play button. And then you can click on the pause button to stop it, and you're good to go. So that's how you embed a YouTube video into a PowerPoint presentation.